Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you that how you can change the wiper on your car. And as you can see that this left hand side, it has wiper which is actually in decent shape and it's still working, but on the right hand side that was actually gone. So I bought this Bosch wiper from Amazon, and I would say this is really good, and it also comes with some extra clips, so just in case if you have some other cars, then you can use this. So for Honda and Ford and GM, sometimes they need this different kind of clips. Otherwise, there is actually a clip, okay, which is there inside this, and which actually works pretty well for my Toyota Prius. So you can see that this is the clip it came with, and this clip worked pretty well with the Toyota Prius. So yeah, first thing is that you need to remove this wiper. So what you have to keep in mind is that it's good if you wear the gloves, but if you don't, then you just need to wiggle a bit and push it down, and then the old wiper will come out. Okay, I'm not going to change this one, just wanted to show you that how to remove it. So you can see that it is removed right now, but on this one, okay, this is the one I wanted to change, which is actually the driver side. So always the driver side will be a bit longer, and the passenger side will be a bit shorter. So yeah, so the way you removed it, you have to just reverse the process pretty much and just push it. See, if you see here, I just pushed a bit and it's already in the place, and then just push this clip and see, so that's it. So it's in place already and it's good to go. So it's pretty easy. The only thing is that you have to see the direction properly, and if you are having any difficulty, you can always refer to the instruction manual from Bosch. So they have all this steps written that how do you have to do it, but I will say that it's pretty simple. If you will just try for a few times, I'm sure that you will be able to do it by yourself. So yeah, this is how you change the wiper. So this is the Toyota Prius 2011, and it was pretty simple to change it. So yeah, just follow me on social media for more, and thank you for watching.